History is written by the victors, but lurking in its shadows are tales too dark to ignore. From haunting medical experiments to the horrors of forgotten wars, today we uncover 10 disturbing historical facts that will make you question humanity itself. Brace yourself, because the past isn't always as distant as it seems. Fact 1. The Philadelphia Experiment. In 1943, during World War II, the U.S. Navy allegedly conducted a secret experiment to make a ship invisible. According to urban legends, the U.S. Eldridge vanished and reappeared, but not without horrifying consequences, as some crew members were reportedly fused into the ship's metal. Fact 2. Unit 731, Japan's biological warfare program. During World War II, Japan's Unit 731 conducted horrifying experiments on prisoners. Innocent men, women, and children were exposed to biological weapons, vivisections, and unimaginable torture, all in the name of science. Fact 3. The ghost ship, Mary Celeste. In 1872, the Mary Celeste was discovered adrift in the Atlantic Ocean. The ship was completely intact, with no signs of struggle, yet its entire crew had vanished without a trace. To this day, their fate remains a mystery. Fact 4. The Great Smog of London. In December 1952, a toxic smog blanketed London for 5 days, causing over 12,000 deaths. The air was so thick with pollution that people couldn't see their hands in front of their faces. Fact 5. The Dyatlov Pass Incident. In 1959, 9 hikers died mysteriously in Russia's Ural Mountains. Their bodies were found with strange injuries, including missing eyes and tongues. To this day, no one knows what caused their horrifying deaths. Fact 6. The Bermuda Triangle disappearances. The Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious region in the Atlantic, has been blamed for countless disappearances of ships and planes. Theories range from aliens to magnetic anomalies, but no definitive answer has ever been found. Fact 7. The experimentation at Willowbrook State School. In the 1950s and 60s, mentally disabled children at Willowbrook State School were deliberately infected with hepatitis in unethical medical experiments. This horrifying chapter led to reform in human research ethics. Fact 8. The Salem Witch Trials. In 1692, mass paranoia in Salem, Massachusetts, led to the execution of 20 people accused of witchcraft. Driven by fear, the town descended into chaos, with neighbors turning on neighbors. Fact 9. The Holodomor, Ukraine's forgotten famine. In the early 1930s, a man-made famine orchestrated by Soviet authorities killed millions of Ukrainians. Entire villages were left to starve as crops were seized for the state. Fact 10. The Tangshan earthquake of 1976. One of the deadliest earthquakes in history struck Tangshan, China, killing over 240,000 people. Many perished not just from the quake, but from a lack of aid as the government downplayed the disaster. History isn't just a story of triumphs. It's a mirror reflecting the darkest depths of humanity. But in confronting these shadows, we learn and perhaps grow stronger. If these stories resonated with you, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tales from the darker corners of our past.